Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the best ever kit. It's always nice to give a shout out to the people we love most, and that's what this kit is all about. With this kit, you can make 6 cards, each with a unique style and beautiful gold foil. It includes printed sentiments in English, French, and German that are great for celebrating a mother, father, or anyone in your life that you're cheering on. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. cards are such a fun way to let someone know you're their #1 fan. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!